It's been a few weeks since the last video, but I got the car inspected and now it's time to fix the issues that I have found. First I installed the Type R seat, but now I'm gonna install the passenger side as well. After a while the front brakes started to leak, so I bought new calipers. The door needs some welding, so bodywork and painting the car is next on the list. Also the Chinese throttle body is still not working correctly and will be swapped with a throttle body from the B18A engine. Now it's done in like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna do the other side. And then it's time for the engine. This one is old one, so the map sensor has a vacuum line. Whereas this has the map sensor over here, so I'm gonna have to put the map sensor or somewhere in the engine bay with a vacuum hose. So next task is to swap out this old seat. I already have the driver seat swapped, so yeah, let's get to it. Removing the seat is easy. Four bolts, 12 mil. So now the seat is out. Already have the Type R seat over here. I need to basically cut all of the brackets that hold the seat in the car. Cut all of them, flip these around. These are the front ones. So flip these around. This stays the same, and this needs to be cut and welded.